So in BP Sales Master, we're trying to check shipping tab. So we're going to see a couple of fields. One is POD and POD relevant and POD time frame. So the exact definition of POD means proof of delivery. Okay, by this term you can able to understand that maybe you have already seen in ECC, but still I try to explain this in a broader way. Okay, why we require a proof of delivery? Let me try to check an example. So for example, you have created order, you have created delivery, and you have created billing. This is the process. For example, you created 50 quantity. Uh, Assume that actually it is delivered 30 quantity, 20 pieces got damaged after inspection check. So they informed that, okay, we actually supposed to bill for 30 quantity. So assume that real time anything is possible. If it is order related billing for this OTC also 50 punched. Again, you have to generate credit memo process to settle down for remaining quantity. This is the big headache, okay, for company. For example, if you think that on SAP you are working for single sales order is like that. For example, I have seen a companies in real time, they can able to generate more than 1 lakh sales orders in a month, including all locations across the globe. Okay, certain times India itself they can able to raise 10,000 to 25,000. What do you call sales orders, deliveries, and billings, and up to them. Like this, if so many fail, it is very difficult for them to track it out. Okay, so this is basically how much quantity it is delivered. So this is DLO delivery processing team, and this is your finance team. Basically, how much supposed to be billed, okay, or else finance bill processor or whatever you call it. So, okay, let's try to check case two. Okay, your company has a policy. Okay, you created order for 50 quantity. Okay, and delivery for what I would say. So maybe like it is delivered 70 quantity. Assume that inventory difference is there. Such a case also, the bill supposed to be done for 70, but not 50. Okay, suppose this is again problem with quantity difference of another 20 quantity. So like these are the couple of cases. What exactly looking for the your customer or client? So you created order, okay? You created delivery. So irrespective of the quantity, okay? So 50 and 50 it is delivered, okay? So like these are the two different cases. This is case three, you can imagine, okay? So you cannot create you required a confirmation before creating a bill actually, okay? So such a case, you will you supposed to implement a functionality called POD. That means proof of delivery. How much quantity delivered? So suppose if it is delivered exact quantity also, your finance required this proof of delivery. So these are the cases for your initial understanding. Okay. So we have a couple of fields called POD relevant. Okay. POD relevant. That means, so which customer is POD relevant? For example, X customer, if I have a check mark, he is POD relevant. Y customer is there. If it is blank, that POD won't be applicable. Again, item level, your item category level, which item is POD relevant. That also we can able to see that. That is configuration section. First, you try to understand what are all the cases. If you find any quantity difference, if you would like to do the exact billing, so you will do the pre-intimation to the bill processor, like this much quantity is delivered. If it is exact, then exact. If it is difference, then difference. That's how the POD has a lot of importance in the real time. Okay, how it differs in real time. For example, if you are running billing job, okay, before running billing job, before running billing job, okay, you will run your POD job also. Okay. So when you run POD job, it will confirm all your billing documents. Okay. So this much quantities got delivered. Then your SD built-in program or else some XYZ program or some cases, very rare cases, custom program, it will pick all the delivery documents, whatever the POD relevant documents are confirmed for that only. The nightly job run, nightly billing job run, and it will create all billing documents. Okay. You have a lot of issues in support also, and a lot of quantity difference, a lot of fights happening when you compare with POD job versus your billing job. Okay, this is fine. So you can find varied scenarios also. First billing job need to be run, then POD job need to be run. Maybe they have some kind of reports and some kind of a business gap will be there. Such cases also I have seen, but most of the times, once you run POD job, once the delivery documents confirmed, then only you can able to go for billing job. This is how it happens when it comes to the theory. This is POD relevant, and after some time, I'm going to explain about POD time frame. Okay. So before going ahead, let's try to check POD relevant first at BP level. Okay. If you come here, this is my YouTube channel. So here, if you type POD or else proof of delivery. So ECC and S/4HANA 2020 already done a couple of videos, but this is a new series for S/4HANA course. I'm just trying to update in this. This is the course where, okay, so I'm just trying to update my BP master. Already 68 hours I have already done. So, okay, I'm moving ahead for another few hours, which is useful for who is learning from my side. Okay. Okay, that's fine. All good to go. Let's come here. So if you look at this, okay, let me try to open again BP. So if you click here, go inside. So just we're discussing this tab, shipping tab. Okay. So till now we already had a detailed discussion about each and every field. Very important. Okay. So this is basically POD relevant. Okay. POD relevant means so proof of delivery. Okay. This customer is apt to check. Okay. Proof of delivery. How much quantity delivered for this customer is it should be considered for your bill processor team or finance team. Okay. So for example, if I say that this is POD relevant, let's save this. Okay. Time frame we're going to see in another few minutes. That's not a big deal. Okay. Let's go for VA01. Press enter. Okay. So it's not in conditions. POD 1. Let me put it. Okay. Let's take this material for 10 quantity. Or else we'll take the same case. Okay. Let it be. Strike case we'll take. Okay. So let's try to deliver this one. Okay. So let's do the picking. So, okay. You'll do the picking. And let's do the PCA. You have done PCA. So your material document got generated. So let's try to click on VF01. Okay. If it is POD relevant, see, you will get a log like this. Go to edit and click on a log. POD report back not at carried out or incomplete. What it is saying? So proof of delivery, it is not confirmed. That's what it is saying. All this message for this delivery number and for XYZ item number. That's what it is talking about. So the transaction code for this is VLPOD. Okay, remember this. Okay, when you click on a VLPOD, so this is quite common. It is got selected because the last delivery what we have created. So proof of delivery. So like suppose PCA you have done on the same day, it might not be confirmed, or else it can be confirmed on the same day or same time also. You can able to choose any one of the date. It doesn't matter actually. So like it should be, it cannot be before PCA date. Let's put it 13. What it says systems. Okay. So, but ideally, how could you confirm? Before PCA, you cannot able to confirm, right? Okay. So, but still it's accept because of the settings. Okay. But it's a wrong way, right? So anyhow, you confirm with the POD. So now what it happens, VF01, press enter, it will allow you to create bill actually. Okay, that's fine. Let's try to check with one more example, even more detailed, okay, to getting into the sections of POD. Okay, so let's put it. So let's click on the delivery now. I will show you few things which is very, very important to you. Okay, let's go to the status overview. Okay, so if something is POD relevant, status will come like this. Initial status. A means it is uh, okay, not yet processed actually. Okay, so for example, let's try to save this right away. Okay, we haven't done anything. So now go to VL02N. Okay, for change mode. Still, if you go to the status overview, it is not yet processed. Even your goods movement status and billing status, everything is not in place actually. Okay, if you go to the picking, let's pick the stock. Now it is turned into C. And now let's do the PCA. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the display mode again or change mode, press enter, and let's check the status overview. What it says, goods movement, it is already done, POD not yet started. Okay, so this is how, if it is C, then only it will allow. Okay, so let's try to do it. VF01, press enter, you will get this issue. Okay, so what is my POD report? VL POD is the transaction. If I press enter, okay, so now you can able to see this delivery quantity is this. So assume that all quantities it is received, then this is fine. Assume that in this case only 5 quantity is received. If you have a difference, you can able to choose regions like this. Standard it has given either under delivery, okay, shortage of the stock, over delivery means case to what I have explained. Additional quantity it is done. So for example, if it is under delivery, choose this. And what is the quantity difference? Okay, two is the two quantity, 2 kgs is missing. So now we can able to see this. So what you supposed to confirm? Only two quantity. The date can be after PCA ideally. So let's put it, we'll come to know this one like next day itself. Okay, so press enter. So click on confirm. This is for confirming this one. So now once you confirm, difference is this one. Okay, actual confirmed quantity is this one. Difference quantity is this one, but delivery quantity is this one. Okay, let's save this. Now see the magic. So now go to VL010. Okay, so press enter. So what is the delivery quantity? 10 as per the system, but quantity confirmed actually it is 8 due to damage XYZ reason. Now if you click on VF01, so now bill will be done for 8 quantity, not for 10 quantity. This is one case. In the similar way, let's try to extend this same example for over delivery. So I will show you the config. I haven't done the config yet. Okay. So this is case 3. So again 10 quantity. So let's try to do the delivery. So, but actually, what you are doing as per system, you are doing the PCA for 10 quantity and go to VL BOD. So, but actually, instead of 10, let's choose the reason. So, this is for over delivery. Okay, let's try to put it. So, another 10 got delivered. So, now how much it's supposed to be billed? Okay, okay. So, let's try to make it this 20. Okay, what it says. Okay, quantity difference is 10. So let's try to choose the date. Okay, become negative, right? Let's do one thing, 1 second. This is for our delivery. Yeah. Okay. So now see this, instead of 10, previously DFG2, that is under delivery, this is our delivery. So that's why quantity, actual delivered quantity is 20. Okay. Just say okay. So the status becomes C. So additionally 10 quantity I have sent. That means almost 100% extra you have sent. Okay. So the bill supposed to be generated not for 10, it's supposed to be for 20. Okay. 20 quantity it is there. Now let's try to see where we can able to define this configuration. Let me try to show you the scenario where, okay, I don't check the POD relevant. Let's save this and let's try to create an order. So this is a direct scenario where we take the 10 quantity. So let's try to do the delivery and let's try to pick the 10 quantity and do the PCA. Now, let me show you something here. VL02N. I forgot to show you the status actually. So for this, if it is not POD relevant, even you don't get the initial status itself, header and item also. Okay. So now when I try to do the bill, this is your regular scenario. Okay. If it is not POD relevant, it will allow you to create the bill. It will not allow you to check whether the item is POD relevant or not. What are all the configuration? Go to SPRO, reference IMG. Let's come to see this section, this scenarios I have already explained detailed in another section. Since the field is available here, I'm just showing quickly. Okay. What is all about this field? Okay. So now if you come deliveries in this proof of delivery. So first setting at item level, for example, tan if I take, so whether it is POD relevant or not. Okay, POD automatic, I will explain you. Let's keep it for some time. Okay, relevant or not. Okay, so this is a relevancy basically. And second one is defined reason for quantity difference. This you can able to define it. Okay, so better. So these are got defaulted. If you want, you can able to do it your own way. Okay, you can copy and you can define for over delivery and under delivery. And next important setting, as I explained you, one is at BP level. Okay, setting one, BP level, POD relevant. Okay, so next go to the settings to item level. Okay, item level, what exactly it is? Suppose if you already created. Okay, so item level, what exactly it is saying? So your item category. Okay, POD relevant or not. Okay, these are the two important settings you have to do it. Okay, apart from that, setting 3. Okay, so reasons for quantity difference you have to define it. These are the 3 settings. That's it. Nothing else. So now let me try to explain you what is POD time frame. So this I cannot able to show you practically, but you can able to try on your own. Okay. So I can show you, but this video currently I'm recording, I cannot able to show you. So what happens? So for example, if you see this, if I say POD relevant, you can able to mention, for example, whenever you create a delivery, whenever you have it an PCA, once it is POD relevant, the time frame should be 3 days. Okay. As I said that 3 days or 2 days or 1 day, you can able to mention 5 days here. So suppose if you don't confirm, okay, if you don't confirm within 3 days, that means VLPOD or else any background job, if it is not created. After 3 days, it will not restrict you not to create a bill. Okay, I'll tell you with this. 1 second. This you can check it with current date. I cannot able to do it now. You can try this one. For example, order created. Okay, with 50 quantity. So what is the date today? 2011-2024. Okay. So next you created your DLV and PCA. Okay, with the same quantity 50. Okay. So if I say that the time frame is 3 days for POD confirmation. Okay, POD confirmation. Okay, so you have to run real POD. So for example, quantity difference, if you have quantity difference, if you don't have quantity difference, under delivery, over delivery, that is different story. When you mention the time frame, so today you have done PCA 20 plus, assume that 5 days is your time frame. Okay, if time frame days is 5 days. So till 25th, it calculates the time also. 25th, 11.2024. Okay. Till that time, if you don't run POD, it will not allow you to create a billing actually. Okay. But after 25th, so assume that you don't run VLPOD, VLPOD on 25th also. So 26th came. Okay. When you try to create a bill by using VF01, so it will not stop you. Auto conforms. Auto conforms means like, if the quantity difference actually it is 30 delivered. Okay. That means it is 100 delivery. POD you are not confirmed. But actually, so your billing team will consider POD time frame is over. Okay. So no one is confirmed. They will create the bill like that for 50 quantity, not for 30. Okay. This is where the more dangerous mode of your transaction actually, even if POD is there also if you are not confirmed. So this is just trying to uh, make sure that delivery or POD team should work within the deadlines. Okay, so that's why they're keeping the time frame. Okay, this is one thing. So as I said that your POD job and billing job back to back is there. Okay, maybe overnight or else POD job runs. Once POD job runs after with this time frame after 5 days billing job is running. Okay, whatever the delivery which is created within the time frame once POD confirms after that 5 days difference billing job runs. Okay, this is again for them it's a flexibility. So like POD difference is there then fine. If difference is not there also it will run. So the billing job will be created. Okay. So what is the job for POD? Okay. Let me show you this. Two transactions will be there to set up a job. 1 second. VLPOD Q. Okay, this is the job actually. Let's try to create one example manually for this. I am not running any job for this. So, but this job will be there. Okay, let's put it POD file. So let's try to take 10 quantity. Save this one. So now let me show you. Okay. Oh, I cannot able to do this one. Let me try to go to BP first. So this customer must be POD relevant. Then only we can able to run either job or manually. So we are already there. Okay. We have 01 and press enter. Okay. Let's do the PPA. So now go to VL02 and either header or item level, you can able to check it out. Okay. So you can able to see this, the processing place where you can able to see this. This is POD relevant. If POD difference is there also, as of now, no difference. That's why it is showing. We'll check that one. So now go to VL POD Q. Job I am running. Okay, for this delivery. So here you will have a work list, which are all the deliveries which not processed for POD, and this is for verified with difference, and open or confirmed quantities also there. Okay, so let's check this display selection. selected documents. And so if you have a time frame, you look at this. If you would like to consider the time frame while running the job, you have to tick mark this. Okay. So let's run this. Now you can able to see this. Okay. So created on time, your shipping point and sales organization, delivery type, goods issue date, loading, transportation, and picking date. You can able to find other field also, actual GA date. Okay. See, billing is not yet done. That's what it is showing. Okay. You can able to see this proof of delivery status. Okay. So all these are the fields. Let's select this. And if you would like to change the POD date, that you can able to change here. Okay. As of now, POD date it is showing. Let's assume that the date is so like 14th. I'm just keeping this one. Okay. And POD date now it is changed right to 14th. Okay. If you would like to confirm, let's select this. Click on confirm. So it is asking. Say now proof of delivery it is which is got created. Okay. Now come back. So let's try to change it. See now POD status is changed to C. In the similar way, you can able to check in the delivery also. Let me try to show you either item or header level. Now you can able to see the POD status is changed. We haven't put any POD difference. That's why it is not showing. Otherwise, you can able to see in the delivery document also. Let's press enter and save this. And EA03. And let's try to go to the document flow. Okay. So this is how you can able to play with the system with the group of delivery. Okay. So let's try to do one more scenario with the job for your understanding. So VL Q actually. Okay. Let's put it this one, save. Okay. VL Q actually. Okay. So let's put it the display selected documents. Okay. So let's try to run this. Okay. So billing document here itself, we can able to create it that is different story. So all these are the audio icons. Let's do one thing. Let's come back. So verified with difference. We'll try now. So let's. So since you don't have difference, it's not finding actually. One second, I'm just checking. Any other things left with this? Okay, this is advanced new returns management, new field is there. Okay, root. What else we have? That's it. Let's try to confirm here. Same way, there's no difference. And let's try to create a bill also. Okay. The billing document here itself, you can able to create nothing else. Okay. So basically time frame, what you can able to do is, I'll just suggest you for your, you can able to take this one as a homework or whatever you call. You create the delivery and PGA today and put it time frame for a couple of days. Okay. So on third day, you try to create a bill. Don't create VLPOD. Okay. It must allow. That's the scenario. Okay. So this is how you can able to work for VLPOD. I'll just try to add one more thing, one more report for VLPOD important. VLPOD L actually. Okay. So this is also delivery for proof of delivery. Here you can able to find additional options, inbound deliveries with post goods receipt also there. Okay. So all these things will be there. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. So if you really wanted to learn, please subscribe this course. As for HANA sales, currently it is with 239 lectures. Probably it will go for 250 and beyond that. I'm not completely sure. So maximum I have done this course. Maximum topics I have covered, but still some one or two topics will be there. I'm just going to add in future. And this is for condition contract and repeat settlement management. So I have a lot of courses at my end. If you really want, you can able to try. Especially these two courses, don't miss it. These two for pricing actually. If you really want to get update yourself in standard additional concepts, and this is currently holding 2000 plus students, the same course itself. Okay, don't worry about all these ratings and all. So like people will have different mindsets that I cannot able to help it out. One person who really wanted to learn seriously, that is my target. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.